guys, what's up? This is episode 3 my own level of the explosion gauntlet. I don't know why I still have that level here. So this is what we have made this right now. If you haven't checked out the other episodes yet, I've made one for the beginning and all that stuff. Now we have the ball part and a little bit of the ship part. We gotta expand these white ground spikes a little more. And then let's make that white. Make that white. If you're questioning what we're doing today, we are making a, you have already guessed it, a spider. To get this right, so that there's no cheesing, skipping any portals or anything. Alright. Wait. Start position time. Let go. By the way, this ship part is not easy. If you haven't seen the last episode, we have finished the ship part and made that little thing. I actually want to do something very cool. Dual spider. One of them is mini. Now you guys are probably saying, now you're just copying Glorious Fortress. No, I'm inspired by Glorious Fortress. Because in Glorious Fortress. But I want you to land on something. Then we have to flipping burgers. Oh yeah. Wait, how did the well, I mean, now that we know that the ship part is complete possible. How he did it. Let's see. I think, yes, that is completely the same. Which is what I need. And we nailed it. If you have been enjoying the series so far, please make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And then could make it double mini. Could scale this down, then move it like. Can still make it mini. That's what I wanted to do, something similar to Glorious Fortress. In Glorious Fortress, it has this cool looking thing. You have to pit through some things. can delete these. And 2 block space. I'll run delete. Like that. Because then there's gonna be full spikes. I don't know, is that possible? No, so there will be no spikes there. And then there will the mini one have that. You could make like a wall of spikes. Then we can make it or should we do it that you have to swap it? So I know one thing that we could add: chains. Oh, I love chains. No, we're definitely not doing that. Hold up. Let me cook. Now we can add these spikes. I thought it was raining outside for a second. Bam, and bam, 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 bam. And then we can add full spikes on top. Ew. You actually have to click twice. Then we have a launch pad right here. And one right here. And then we have big structure. Three blocks high. Well, we'll have to do it like this though. And then we can make it back to a solo. How fast can you guys spam? I'm actually spamming way faster than the spider. So, yeah. Can add one more structure. And then we will have to add these. Oh no. Wrong side. Boom, boom. Okay. Now, before we get to decorating that, I wanna finish off with these ones for the ball. I was looking for a wood vibe, you know what I'm saying? Looking for wood. That's right. We need that type, this type of thing. I like this. Now, if the warp tool, we may be able to get this right. We have a wood color. Oh, it has a detail color as well. Alright, you can kind of see out, but that's fine. Oh. Hold up. This ship part is finished. this structure right here. We can make it rock. Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Then we delete all start positions, and we still have to get this the right color. Now let's get into the showcase for this. Oops, let me try that again. Guys, I suck at GD. Well, you guys know what I'm saying right now. So then we still have to decorate these slabs. Shouldn't be a problem. Yes, it should be a problem, and that's why I don't like it right now, because I don't want any problems. But it is how it is, and I do not like it. No, I'm not going for that kind of vibe. But then there's something inside of it. Actually, we can make it work. Wow, 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 wow. I don't know how to do it. I think we'll just find slabs in this category, to be honest. Please tell me we won't. I mean, please, we will. I'm about to kill myself. If this keeps on happening, or we just waste time. But doesn't matter at this point. Alright, time to get our blocks designed. What is that, man? Sorry, but nah. Is there a limit for what you can select? Extra. Don't. No effects. This doesn't look very right to me. Oh well. Who cares? Now we have to zoom in a little. Group 1. Bam 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 bam. Edit check base 2 detail 2 detail. Now let's see. By the way, we still need to decorate those parts. Add some vines there. Add a block in there. There's a lot of stuff missing. The level is coming along though. Hopefully it gets rated. That will be my first ever rated level, but nobody cares. Yep, no jumping there. That's it for today. If you enjoyed, please make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. If you want to see more projects like this, tell me in the comments. 100 likes and I'll do my own wave challenge. And so yeah.